If you ever trip up on your words mid-flow or feel like you're not clear enough when you're rapping on beats, particularly fast rap beats such as grime instrumentals, then do these articulation exercises that I'm going to be guiding you through today. Articulation and clarity is an important aspect of your delivery as a rapper, so working on improving it will do you a lot of good. So we're going to do, the boring warm-up exercises, get them over with first, just to free up our voice. What we're going to start with is a hum, a basic hum, and we're going to go into a lip trill and a tongue trill. So let's just do that real quick for about a minute. Continue humming. Then take a deep breath. And then now moving on to lip trills. Another deep breath, and now into tongue trills. Play around with the pitch here if you want. Higher pitches, lower pitches. Really exercise the full vocal range. Alright, cool. This time take a deep breath in and feel your diaphragm expand. It should happen naturally the deeper you breathe. We're going to do another round of what you just did, but this time feel as if the sound is coming from your chest, your diaphragm area. When you speak from your chest, your lower belly, your diaphragm, you sound a lot more louder, obviously, you sound a lot clearer, and you also sound a lot more confident. So we're going to do another round of what we just did, but this time take a deep breath in between, making sure the sound is coming from where I just specified. So let's go. With that deeper breathing, you'll find you have more range in your voice as well. You're a bit louder, you can go a bit longer, you have more oxygen in the tank. Now, look at the list of rhymes that appears on the screen, and we're going to try and say them in sequence as fast as you can, so getting faster. You might need to play the video a couple more times before you get it, but that's fine. So let's just do that now. Smoke, or for, war, pour, hobo, auto, store, floor, door, crow, bro, draw, for, go, jaw, low, more. Again, do that as many times as you need. Pull the video back until you get it. And now we're just going to move into a couple of tongue twisters, just to train that articulation a bit more, train those muscles that you don't normally hit when you're talking in normal day life. Alright, so we're going to start with a simple one. Take the top of the tongue behind the top of the teeth. That's what we're going to say. We're going to say that 8 times, aiming to progress in speed as you say it. So by the 8th rep, you should be trying to say it as fast as you can. So let's go. Take the top of the tongue behind the top of the teeth. Take the top of the tongue behind the top of the teeth. Take the top of the tongue behind the top of the teeth. Take the top of the tongue behind the top of the teeth. Take the top of the tongue behind the top of the teeth. Take the top of the tongue behind the top of the teeth. Take the top of the tongue behind the top of the teeth. Take the top of the tongue behind the top of the teeth. And then the next one will be red lever, yellow lever. 15 times, again, aiming to progress in speed as you say it, trying to say it as articulate and as clear as you can, really moving your mouth around. Red lever, yellow lever, 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 red lever, yellow lever. That one's always been tricky for me, but that's the whole point of this. So articulation should improve over time. This is just practice. The last one, which for me is the most tricky tongue twister. I don't know, it might be easy for you, but it's a big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blue black blood. It's that blue black blood part that always gets me, but let's do it 5 times. Again, aiming to progress in speed. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blue black blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blue black blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blue black blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blue black blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blue black blood. Let me do that rep again. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blue black blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blue black blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blue black blood. Bit more than 5 reps there, but So what you might have to do, you might have to slow down a bit, get your head around the tongue twister, and then go for it. Now, for my favorite exercise, you've probably seen this one before. If you haven't, then you're either gonna love it or you're gonna hate it. What you basically do is you're gonna take a pen, you're gonna put that pen in between your mouth, in your lips. The further back you put the pen, the harder this exercise becomes. The further out to where it's just on the tip of the lips, tip of the mouth, the easier it is. So once you're doing that, you're gonna pick a 16-bar verse, right? One that you find challenging to deliver clearly, preferably. So it could be yours that you've written or from one of your favorite rappers, right? And then you're gonna recite this verse as articulate as you can, making sure to smile and over-pronounce the verse until you do it. And then you're gonna take the pen out and then rap that verse over a beat, seeing if your clarity, your articulation, your diction has improved. And what that will look like is this. Spent 20 years inside of the mist, and I sounded it sounded of my mind is a myth. I tried to be rid of this evil, but then I went feeble once the devil appeared. Showed no fear, he said you were Simon as this. Sank that prick 10 times with the rapes of bees internally and dies like a bitch. Now I'm about to find out that insane asylums exist. The doctors love the lies and the fibs. Feed my mess to fry like a fish. Kill myself before I get caught, don't want to get served like a pie on a dish. Spent 20 years inside of the mist, and the sanity inside of my mind is a myth. I tried to be rid of this evil, but then I went feeble once the devil appeared. Showed no fear, he said your assignment is this. Shanked that prick 10 times in the ribs to the beast internally and dies like a bitch. Now I'm about to find out that insane asylums exist. The doctors love the lies and the fibs. Feed my mess to the fry like a fish. Kill myself before I get caught, don't want to get served like a pie in a dish. So there you go, that's all the exercises. Do these daily, depending on how many likes and views this video gets. I might just do a video with just the exercises without the explanations in between exercises, just exercises in sequence, so that it holds you accountable and it's something you can follow along daily. If it was any help to you, then I ask you to hit the like button, help the algorithm out. And if you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being here. The channel wouldn't be here without you. Hopefully this video was of help to you. And with all that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.